Guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back new on latest ideas, styling, designing, and beautiful looks. Like different and beautiful looks, like decent party wear style and crochet. Beautiful handle looks style like triangle shapes and stylish handbags design often and valuable, unique texture, color, and style. Here are some ideas for creating stylish crochet handbags. And transformation between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect and beautiful looks. Top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Latest and beautiful styles. Remember, the choice of yarn and color palette can influence the overall style of your handbags. Do not be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish crochet handbags that suit your personal taste. Ideas. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project. Latest and beautiful style and latest styles looks, so I hope you like it, and different latest ideas. Remember to consider the pose and beautiful of your bag while choosing a design.